how it should be used. Basically, it's a power pack, an inexpensive power pack that gives you an electrical outlet anywhere you desire. Now, he's developed it to the point where it's lightweight, it's easy to carry, and if you've ever been out in the middle of nowhere wishing you had some electricity, the answer may be as close as mass marketing his new product. It's the subject of tonight's Audible at Large. The inventor's name is Skip Bauer, and he calls his product the Bauer Pack. The idea struck him one day, and he worked quickly putting together a prototype. Now he's got several models out, many with great sophistication. He sold a number of them already, largely to construction companies who need power tool juice out in the middle of nowhere. He took it to a major electric company in this town with the hopes of having them produce it. Well, they wanted him to leave it with them, said they hadn't seen anything like it before. He was afraid they'd take it apart and learn his secret, so he left without much success. We talked.
Necessity is often the mother of invention, and is that the way it was with these power packs, that you found the need for some power?
Exactly. I was an electrician for 18 years, and I constantly looked for a source of power to be independent of using somebody else's or tromping through the mud. And I constantly, one Sunday morning, I woke up with the idea, and the next day I procured what I needed to build it, and showed it to the company I worked for at the time, and they were impressed with it. And
now you're trying to get it marketed, huh?
I just feel there's a need for it, and it's a solution looking for a problem.
They come in all shapes and sizes. Now this is like like a medium?
Yeah, this would be this is the size that it has enough power to run a half-inch drill, which I used every day. It has enough power to drill out a 200 outlet house.
It's not too heavy.
No, it only weighs 40 pounds.
About 40 pounds.
And it's much lighter and quieter than a generator, no pollution. And with gasoline at over $1 a gallon, it only puts out power as you need it. You don't pay for wasted power.
Are they rechargeable, or?
Yes, you just plug it right in. Here's a breaker top with basically it's all you need to carry. The charger, I used to build the chargers in them, but I can show you the charger.
This is the charger here.
This is the charger.
Well, you just plug that into the wall and
just plug it right in, and plug it into the wall, set the timer.
You can plug it into itself, it would probably... No, that wouldn't work.
No. Perpetual motion.
It was a good idea, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, but there would be a possibility to plug it into a bigger pack and charge it. But
no, a pack this size, I mean, how much use would you get? I mean, can you give me some idea how much power you'd get in a box on it?
There's enough power in this one here that weighs 80 pounds, and it's there's enough power to build a whole, well, I'd say about a 2,000 square foot house.
You could build a whole house with the power that's in this little thing here.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It has been done already.
So what Skip Bauer is doing is widening our horizons, giving us juice where we've never had juice before without lengthy, time-consuming, costly connections. He knows there are other power packs on the market, but none of them are like this. They require expensive converters and other electronic equipment to perform the same functions. He's got a rather inexpensive source of power here that ends all of the complications. The Bauer Pack, an idea that turned on a light bulb in Skip Bauer's head, a bright idea, to be sure. That's Audible at Large for tonight. We're going to break away for a couple of commercial words, but we'll be right back. We hope you join us.